What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Alpha Tonic before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Alpha Tonic works. What is Alpha Tonic? Alpha Tonic is a men's health supplement that helps men regain energy, stamina and vitality. This men's health support formula is made with natural ingredients our ancestors used and scientifically proven to be effective for the causes. Thanks to its unique mechanism against feminizing chemicals, Alpha Tonic will help men regain vitality and self-confidence. This powerful anti-aging formula is made with premium extracts and herbal compounds. Alpha Tonic ingredients are then processed and combined in optimal proportions into a fast-dissolving powder under strictly regulated aseptic conditions. These high-tech facilities are FDA-registered and GMP-compliant, and final products are tested by third-party laboratories to ensure formulation standards. Alpha Tonic Men's Health Formula is 100% natural and vegan. It does not contain any GMOs, stimulants, or any added chemicals. How does Alpha Tonic work to improve male health? Alpha Tonic works by combating harmful feminizing chemicals that adversely affect male hormones and their effects, causing various ailments and weakness in every aspect of life. Now, if you're wondering what these masculinity-killing feminizing chemicals are and where they are located, you'll be very disturbed to know that they are literally everywhere and in almost everything. Numerous studies show that new chemicals used in water supplies, food packaging, lids, etc. Alpha Tonic powder acts as a powerful weapon to combat feminizing chemicals that disrupt men's hormonal balance. This potent powder is full of powerful nutrients used in its all-natural blend to protect against these dangerous chemicals. In addition to removing these hormone-altering substances, Alpha Tonic's stamina and strength enhancer nourishes bodily functions, which improves energy and vitality and increases strength and stamina, as well as supporting healthy blood circulation and curbing appetite, aiding in weight loss.